Hello, greetings. Okay, so let us calculate the gestational age and the EDD. Okay, so I'm going to start with the gestational age. So we all know that gestational age, it is all about how far the pregnancy has gone. Yes, and gestational age is calculated in what? In weeks. Okay, so to calculate the gestational age, we have to know the LMP. Yes, the last menstrual period. Okay, so in this case, the LMP was what? 25th December 2023. Okay, so we are calculating the gestational age as of today, 18th July 2024. Yes, so to help us with our calculation, I've drawn this table. Yes, so the table has 4 columns. We have months, days, weeks, and the remaining what? Days. Okay, so we're going to start our calculation by writing the first month here. So the first month is the month of what? LMP. Yes, the first month is the month of what? Last menstrual period. So in this case, that month is what? December. So we're going to write our December here. Okay, so December has how many days? Has 31 days. But in this case, LMP was what? 25th. So we cannot say December had what? 31 what? Days. Instead, we have to subtract this 25 from what? 31. And once we do that, we're going to find the 6. So we write our 6 here. Okay. Then 7 days makes up a week. So this 6 is less than 7 days. So meaning that on weeks, write what? 0. On remaining days, write 6. Okay. Then from there, we go to the second month, which is January. Okay. So January has 31 what? Days. So here we write all 31 days. Okay. Then 31 days. In 31 days, we have how many weeks? We have 4 weeks. So we write our 4 here. Okay. Then in 4 weeks, we have how many days? We have 28 days. So we have to subtract that 28 from 31, and we're going to get 3. So we write our 3 here. Okay. From there, we go to the next month, which is February. Okay. February had 29 what? Days. Okay. So in 29, we have how many weeks? We have 4 weeks. So write our 4 here. In 4 weeks, we have how many days? We have 28 days. So meaning that we have to subtract that 28 from 29, and we're going to get 1. Okay. Then from February, we go to what? We go to March. Okay. March has 31 days. So we write our 31 here. Okay. So in 31 days, we have how many weeks? We have 4 weeks. So write our 4 here. Okay. In 4 weeks, we have how many days? We have 28 days. So we have to subtract that 28 from what? 31. And we're going to get 3. Okay. From March, we go to April. Okay. In April, we have how many days? 30 days. Okay. So if we're to... Okay. So in 30 days, we have how many weeks? We have 4 weeks. So 4 weeks, write it here. Okay. In 4 weeks, we have how many days? We have 28 days. So we subtract 28 from 30 days, and we're going to get 2. So that 2, we write it on remaining days. Okay. From April, we go to May. May has how many days? 31 days. Okay. So in 31 days, we have 4 weeks. So that 4, we write it in weeks. Okay. In 4 weeks, we have how many days? We have 28 days. So if we were to subtract 28 from 31, we're going to get 3. Okay. Then from May, we have what? We have, from May, we go to June. So in June, we have how many days? We have 30 days. Okay, in 30 days, we have 4 weeks. So we write our 4 here. Okay, in 4 weeks, we have how many days? We have 28 days. So if I to subtract that 28 from 30, we're going to get 2. So we write our 2 here. Okay, then going into the final month. So the final month is the actual month that we are in. Yes. So on days, we write the actual day. Since today's date is 18th July. So here we write what? 18. In 18, we have how many weeks? We have 2 weeks. Okay, in 2 weeks, we have how many days? We have 14 days. So if I to subtract that 14 from 18, we're going to get 4. Okay, so write our 4 here. Okay, then after that, we have to find the total weeks and the total remaining what? Days. So if we are to add all these weeks, we're going to get 26. If we are to add all these days here, we're going to find 24. Yes. Okay. Then this 24 that we found, it has to be converted to what? To weeks before adding it to what? To days. To week, to these 28, 26 what? Weeks. Yes, we have to convert these 24 days to what? To weeks. How do we do that? Okay, so we do that by dividing this 24 by what? 7. Since 7 is equal to what? To a week. Yes, so if we are to divide 24 by 7, we're going to get what? 3. Remainder what? Remainder 3. Okay, so if we are to add these 3 to the total weeks that we found earlier, the answer here would be what? 29. Yes, so the answer will be 29 weeks and 3 days. Meaning our gestational age is what? 29 weeks and 3 days. Yes. Okay. Then from there, since we are done calculating the gestation age, let us now calculate the EDD. Yes, the expected date of delivery. Okay, so EDD is the date that this woman is estimated to deliver. Yes, this is the day that this woman is expected to deliver. Okay, so if we calculate the EDD, we also have to know the what? The LMP. Yes, we have to know the last menstrual period. Okay, so the LMP was 25th December 2023. Okay, so these are days, these are weeks, and these are what? Are years. Okay, so on days, here we add what? We add 7. Okay, since in 1 week we have 7 days. Okay, then here on months, here it depends with what? The month of what? LMP. Okay, if the month of LMP is from April going up, meaning April, May, June up to December, we subtract by what? By 3. If the LMP month is what? Is January, March. Yes, January, February, and March. There we do what? We add 9. So here instead of writing -3, we write +3. That is if the month that we are calculating is what? January, February, or what? March. But from April going up and up to December, we subtract by what? By 3. Okay. So if we add this 25 plus 7, we're going to get what? We're going to get 32 days. Okay. So then here, if we're to subtract 3 from 12, we're going to get what? 9. So write our 9 here. Okay. Then 32 days. since these days are over a month, we have to subtract 30 from what? From 32. And if we're to do that, we're going to find 2. So write our 2 here. Okay, then we bring this month here, since the month of the 9th month is what? Is September. Okay, then if we are subtracting, it means that here on year we need to add a 1. So if you are to add 1 plus this year, we're going to find what? 2024. Yes, so this is how we calculate the EDD.